So welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription, your Shopify subscription. So it's very important, something you have to keep in mind before you are closing your store. Make sure you are disconnecting any subscription you might have with apps. Maybe you have a subscription going on. Make sure you check that. Make sure you remove that subscription. It's very important. And another thing that you need to check, so make sure you log out of some, make sure you don't have other logouts. Don't log out of this device that you are currently on. So here, just click on log out. And then what you need to do here is to go to settings here. So click on settings. And then here in settings, click on plan. And then here in plan, we have payment method. All right, here you just you're gonna have to click on deactivate store, and then here you can click on deactivate store. And when you click on deactivate store, you're gonna see this. Before any cancel anyone to subscription, third-party apps may continue to charge you after cancellation. So that's what I said at the beginning of this video. Make sure you cancel your subscription for maybe you have a subscription going on for some third-party apps. Make sure you cancel those subscriptions for those apps as well. And now just click on continue. And then here is just going to ask you what's the main reason you are closing the store. And then select the reason and then click on continue. And then here enter your password to deactivate. And after you enter your password, you just need to select deactivate store, and that's all you have to do. Now I've seen people searching for like, how can I deactivate my store if I don't know the password? If you don't know the password, I don't think there's a way to deactivate your store if you don't know the password. So make sure you know the password. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and subscribe for more and like this video if you found this helpful.